Hi, this is Jasmine Tohidi. In this week's video, I'm going to give an update on work permits for certain asylum seekers who are members of CASA de Maryland or the Asylum Seekers Advocacy Project. So one of the biggest questions I got on my previous video is that individuals' work permits were pending more than 30 days and they were calling immigration and getting no reply. So what was the special provision? The immigration laws had changed, forcing asylum seekers to wait 365 days to apply for their working permits. However, if the individual became a member of CASA de Maryland or the Asylum Seekers Advocacy Project, both groups are free, you could apply for your working permit after 150 days, provided that you didn't cause a delay in your asylum interview or your court proceedings. However, in fact, none of my clients' work permits have actually been approved in 30 days. So what do you have to do? Well, it was a little trick that USCIS didn't advertise very well. So the first thing you have to do is, if your application has been pending more than 25 days, you can call the USCIS 1-800 number and you must do a service request. What do you say to the person on the phone? Well, you have to let them know that you're a Rosario class action member and that your working permit was supposed to be approved within 30 days. It's now been 25 days and it hasn't been approved. They will take down your information and tell you that a tier 2 officer will give you a call back. Make sure you write down the confirmation number that they provide you. That's the most important thing out of this phone call. You're supposed to wait 8 business days for USCIS to return your call. In my experience, almost none of my clients have ever gotten a return call in that 8 business days. However, once the 8 business days passes, there's a special email address that you email. You provide them with your name, your receipt number, the date they received your request, whether you're a member of CASA de Maryland or ASAP. You also have to give them that key little special confirmation number. In the email, all you say is, hey, it's been more than 30 days, my working permit hasn't come. I made a request, nothing happened. And in all of my cases, within a day or two, the client's work permits were approved, provided that they were actually legally eligible. So make sure you follow these steps. I'm going to post a link from USCIS's own website that explains it. Now, it's a little bit odd because you keep having to say the words Rosario Class Action Member, even though the lawsuit was named differently. However, this is the way USCIS has coded this process, along with a different process for other class action members. So I hope this video is helpful for my clients who are trying to get their work permits and individuals who have been waiting and waiting and waiting for their work permits based on asylum. Thank you and have a great weekend.